Yes, good morning, students. Today, let us study about levels of management. Basically, we are having three levels of management. They are top level management, middle level management, and lower level management. These are the different levels of management which is very essential for the successful running of any business activities. This is the hierarchy of the management. Top level management includes certain board of directors, chief executive officers, and certain general managers, etc. And again, middle level management includes certain middle level managers like purchase manager, production manager, etc. Then again, when it comes to lower level management, it includes various supervisors and certain employees. When it comes to the top level management, it includes board of directors, chief executive officers, and general managers. And these managers are responsible for planning activities of the business organization. Their job is to plan the activities and coordinate to produce one particular product, and accordingly they give direction to these middle level managers. These are the middle level management. Middle level management includes purchase manager, production manager, sales managers, and finance managers. These managers acts as a link between top level management and lower level management in order to function. Then finally, lower level management includes various supervisors and employees who ultimately produce certain important products. Let me take an example. Top level management like board of directors, chief executive officers, and then general manager think and plan to produce a new type of a car. Okay, what they have done is they wanted to produce one particular new car, and accordingly they have planned. These top level management, that is board of directors, CEO, then general managers, give direction to middle level managers like a purchase manager, production manager, then sales manager, then finance manager. This top level management gives direction to this middle level management, that is purchase manager. Purchase manager need to take care of purchasing activities of the firm in order to produce a particular car. Accordingly, they give direction to their supervisors in order to purchase whatever the raw materials which are required to produce certain car. Then similarly, production manager gives direction to supervisors or employees in order to produce the car by using the raw materials which is purchased by the production manager. Then similarly, the sales managers give direction to supervisors and employees to sell the car which is produced by the production department of the firm. Then next, finance manager will look after financial activities of the firm. So like this, both the top level management, middle level management, then lower level management engaged in production activities of the firm by transmitting the directions from one level to another level. It is very important to note that in order to run any of the business activities or any of the factories, these levels of management is must and should function accordingly. Like top level management thinks and plans the activities, then middle level management acts as a link between top level management and lower level management, then lower level management finally execute the plans which is prepared by the top level management. Thank you.